Alright, we're plugged in. I have the DeVille, Fender DeVille, and the Blues Junior plugged in. I have no delay, no overdrive. I got a little spank in the Fender Blues Junior, and it's on the clean channel on the DeVille. Both on about 3.5, 4 on the reverb. Presence, I'm lying if I tell you something. Is it at 3? I don't understand presence. I don't hear a difference. There it goes. Now I had hand surgery, so I'm playing with these 3 fingers only. This finger can bar chords, but I have trouble holding the guitar on the F chord, the C chord. I'm limited. So here we go. This is 5.5, 7 to 10. Lord have mercy, I got about a year to go. If this doesn't work, this is how we do it. I'm building them. So the way I get going is playing that sound center. It's punching too hard, so it's never hard. Just turn back the volume. Turn back the treble, turn back the bass. I don't know which I do. I put it on, let's say 7, 7, and 7. Let's put it back on the rhythm, the bridge. Here we go. A little more volume. I feel like it needs a little bit of spunk. I have everything at about 10 o'clock. And on the fat chest setting. First guitar, and I finally found a rig that I accept. I think it sounds pretty good. What do y'all think? Thank you for watching.